Dear friends, in class 7, we are studying 4th chapter Simple Equations. And in exercise 4.1, we have second question. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution of the given equation or not. So first is n plus 5 is equal to 19 and we are asked to check whether n is equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation or not. So for this, consider LHS. We have to consider left hand side. Consider left hand side of the equation. Now left hand side is equal to n plus 5. In this we have to put n is equal to 1. If you put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 1. So you will get LHS is equal to 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Now RHS, that is the right hand side of the equation, is 19. Please note LHS is 6 and RHS is 19. So left hand side of the equation is not equal to right hand side of the equation. Hence n is equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Therefore we can say that n is equal to 1 is not a solution of given equation. Given equation is n plus 5 is equal to 19. So please note here, n plus 1 is not the solution of the given equation. N plus 5 is equal to 19. Second question is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 and we are asked to check whether n equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. For this, what we have to do, see. Consider LHS. That is the left hand side of the equation. Consider LHS is equal to 7 into minus 2 plus 5. See what I have done? Okay, consider LHS. LHS is 7n plus 5. In this you put n is equal to minus 2. So you will get 7. We will get LHS is equal to, left hand side is equal to 7 multiplied by minus 2 plus 5. So this is equal to 7 to the 14, but it will be negative 14. Please note, negative 14 plus 5, that is equal to negative 9. Now RHS is equal to, right hand side of the equation is 19. Please note, here again left hand side and right hand side are not equal. Both the sides of the equation are not equal. So left hand side is not equal to RHS. It means n is equal to minus 2. N is equal to minus 2 is not a solution of the equation, given equation of 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Dear friends, next is the equation 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 and we are asked to check whether n is equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation or not. So for this we have to consider LHS. Now I have noticed some students, what do? They directly put in the equation. If you put this n is equal to 2 in the equation, you will get some wrong steps which is mathematically incorrect. So you have to consider LHS, left hand side separately and right hand side separately in all the cases, whether it is a solution or whether it is not a solution. So I request you to solve left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Don't put n is equal to 2 directly in the equation. So here, if you put n is equal to, if you consider LHS, first is we have to consider only left hand side. So LHS is equal to 7n plus 5. In this you have to put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. So you will get LHS is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 plus 5, that is equal to 14 plus 5, that is equal to 19. Now RHS is also 19. Please note here. You will notice that left hand side is 19, right hand side is 19. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side of the given expression. Therefore, we can say that n is equal to 2 is a solution of the given equation. Given equation is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. So n is equal to 2 is a solution of the given equation 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. In fourth sub question, we are given the equation for p minus 3 is equal to 13 and we are asked to check whether p is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation or not. So for this, what we have to do is, we have to consider LHS. Consider left hand side of the equation. Consider left hand side of equation. So left hand side is 4p minus 3. Now in left side you have to put this. So put p is equal to 1. You will get 4 into 1 minus 3. So this is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. But RHS is right hand side. Right hand side is equal to 13. Please note here again, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, we have already studied. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, we say that p equal to 1 is not a solution of given equation, that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So this is the answer. P is equal to 1 is not the solution of the equation 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. We are solving second question. Check whether the value of the given in the bracket is a solution of the given equation or not. Means we are asked to check whether p equal to minus 4 is the solution of given equation, or that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 or not. So for this we have to consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. That is equal to 4p minus 3. Only left hand side we have to consider. Now put p equal to minus 4. So you will get the answer. Left hand side is equal to 4 into minus 4 minus 3. This is equal to 4 4 is 16, but it will be negative 16 negative 3. That is equal to negative 19. Now RHS is 13. Please note here, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, we can say that p equal to minus 4 is not the solution. Is not a solution of equation. Given equation is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. Please note, here some students have a habit of directly putting this value in the equation. They solve something like this. Put p equal to minus 4 in the equation. Then they write 4 into 4p, that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. You will get 4 into minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 13. Then they write minus 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. Then they write minus 19 is not equal to 13. Please note, here there is mathematical mistake. You have written negative 19 is not equal to negative 13, but here you have written this is also negative 19 only. Please note, negative 19 is equal to negative 13. So this equal to sign is wrong here. Then this answer, if you solve, this will also be negative 19. You have written here negative 19 is equal to 13. This is also wrong. So this is not the solution and this is not the proper way of solving the answer. You have to consider left hand side separately, because the reason is we don't know whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So always remember, solve left hand side separately and solve right hand side separately, and then check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side, and if it is equal, then we can say that it is a solution. Otherwise it is not a solution of the given equation. Dear friends, we are solving F sub question from the second question of exercise 4.1 of the chapter simple equations. So we are given the equation. We are asked to check whether the value given in the bracket is the solution of the given equation or not. So for this, again I have told you, don't put this value directly in this. We have to solve left hand separately and right hand separately. So here we have to consider left hand side. Consider LHS. So LHS is equal to 4p minus 3. So put p is equal to 0 in the expression in LHS. So you will get LHS is equal to in left hand side. So you will get 4 into 0 minus 3. So this is equal to 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. Now RHS is equal to 13. Please note here negative 3 is not equal to positive 13. Hence we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side of the given equation. So if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, we say that p is equal to 0. The value given in the bracket is not the solution of the given equation. So we write it like this: p is equal to 0 is not a solution of the given equation, that is of 4p minus 3 is equal to 13.